In this video, we walk through fine-tuning GPT-4o inside Azure AI Foundry, from dataset preparation all the way to deploying your custom model. Always try prompt engineering first. It's faster and cheaper. Fine-tuning makes sense when you need consistent output format, domain-specific terminology the base model doesn't know, or when your few-shot examples are too long for the context window. Your training data must be in JSONL format, one conversation per line with system, user, and assistant terms. Aim for at least 50 high-quality examples. Azure AI Foundry will automatically validate your file and flag formatting errors before the job starts. In Azure AI Foundry, go to Fine-Tuning and click Create. Select your base model. GPT-4o Mini is more cost-effective for most use cases. Upload your JSONL files, set epochs to 3 to 5, and leave batch size and learning rate on auto. The job runs on managed compute, no GPU setup required. Monitor training loss. It should decrease each epoch. If validation loss starts rising while training loss falls, the model is overfitting. Token accuracy gives you a quick signal of how well the model is learning your examples. All metrics are visible in the Foundry dashboard and can be exported to MLflow. Once training completes, click Deploy directly from the results page. Your fine-tuned model uses the same API endpoint format as the base model. It's a drop-in replacement. Use traffic splitting to A/B test your fine-tuned model against the base model before fully switching over. Fine-tuning GPT-4o Mini costs about $0.025 per 1,000 training tokens. Budget for dedicated hosting capacity. Fine-tuned models can't run on shared deployments. Expect 15 to 40% improvement on your specific task. Plan to refine-tune when the base model updates or your data distribution changes. To recap, always try prompt engineering first. Prepare at least 50 JSONL examples, monitor your loss curves, and deploy as a drop-in replacement with A/B testing. Next up, evaluating your AI apps with the Azure AI Evaluation SDK. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Expert of AI for more Azure AI content.